Okay, in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to install Nodemon, and I'm going to explain why Nodemon is important for your project. Over here, for example, if I want to create another route like block, something like this, and if I put here hello block and I save it, and if I go back to Insomnia and I go to route block and I click send, I will get nothing because I have to stop my application and run it again. Every time I make change in the project, I have to stop the application and run it again. So this is time consuming. So that's why I have to use Nodemon to solve this problem. Let me stop my application and then let's install Nodemon. npm install Nodemon. So -d we install is in dev dependency. You can search for Nodemon in this website npmjs.com. Nodemon. Okay, this is how you install Nodemon. You can install it globally or install it in dev dependency. Okay, just hit enter over here. And then you go to package.json. You will see Nodemon over here. Alright, the next step you have to do, you have to run this application by Nodemon. Go over here, and over here I will put dev. I will call Nodemon over here. I use Nodemon to run server.js for me. Okay, I save it. And then over here, instead of run npm run serve, I just run npm run dev. npm run dev. Okay. Over here, if you go back to Insomnia and I click send, I see hello block. And if I make change the files over here, put hello block, my name is Nodemon. I save, you will see it's restart due to change. So it's restart the application due to change just for me. And if I go back to Insomnia and I click send, I will see hello block, my name is Nodemon. So when you use Nodemon, you don't have to stop your application and run it again when you make a change. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.